Hi everyone, welcome back to another video from Apps Academy. Today in this video we are going to be learning how to create a channel in Slack. Creating a channel in Slack is an essential step to organize your team's communication and collaboration. Whether you are setting up a project workspace or a team discussion area, follow these steps to get started. First of all, open up the Slack application on your device and make sure that you are logged into your account. I'm using mobile device in today's video. Once you're in the main homepage of Slack, tap the plus button at the bottom right. Now click on Channel. Enter the name for your channel in the text box at the top, and then click on Next at the top right. Now choose the visibility for your channel. If you want your channel to be public, select Public, whereas if you only want to add invited members on your channel, tap on Private. Finally, click on Create. Soon after you do that, you have created a channel. Now go ahead and start adding members to your channel. Write down the email address of the person you want to add and click on the invite box. Keep adding more to the list. After you have added enough, click on Add at the top right. And right after you do that, you have successfully created a channel and added members to it. Once the invited members accept the request and join into their channel, you can now start collaborating, begin posting messages, sharing files, and collaborating with your team. So by following these steps, you've successfully created a Slack channel to enhance your team's communication and collaboration. If you found the video helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to the channel. I will be back again in the next video. Thank you for watching.